In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So whenever you would like to perform a soft reset, just tap on power key along with volume down button. Just hold them all together. At first you will grab a screenshot, but still keep holding. Now your device is off, and within a couple of seconds you will notice the logo, and that's when you can release the buttons. And just wait a couple of seconds. Your device will be rebooted, and if you had any issues with it previously, they should be gone right now. Now provide your PIN code, and that's it. Now you can smoothly do it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.